Energy Star partner Honda of America Manufacturing invited the U.S. EPA's Energy Star program to participate in an energy treasure hunt. The event was held at the company's power equipment plant in Swepsonville, North Carolina. Over 3 days, teams uncovered enough no-cost and low-cost energy savings opportunities to cut energy use by more than 15%, a savings of over $300,000 a year. Yesterday, participants in the Energy Treasure Hunt looked for energy savings on a non-production day. Today, they'll identify savings opportunities during regular operations. When the plant is running, Energy Treasure Hunt participants can check for compressed air leaks and if temperature set points are too high or too low. When no products are being produced, such as during breaks, they can evaluate whether equipment and lights could be turned off.
Instead of using compressed air to blow off the parts and blow off the coolants, you use high-pressure blowers. In the long run, that little amount of electricity that we use for that blower is a huge cost savings versus compressed air.
The team also found that compressed air was leaking from one of the machines.
All right, this is one way of calculating the air loss. We're at a little under 20 seconds to fill this bag up. So we'll go back and calculate size of this bag with the amount of time that it took to fill this bag up. So when we're not running and the machines are down, the best habit for the operators to do is to cut this thing off. This will stop the air leaks from happening inside the machines.
It's important to schedule time at the end of the day for the teams to fill out the detail sheets and discuss their findings. When discussing savings opportunities, teams should consider how the corrective action or project will be implemented and who will do it. Each team should select their top energy savings opportunities and present them to the full group for discussion.
So we've taken all that information, we've entered it into our detail sheets to quantify the actual savings, and we've picked our top 3 for this event. So we've got HVACs, the number 1. I think that's followed by air leaks, followed by big opportunities.
The last day of the treasure hunt is devoted to evaluating the energy savings opportunities. The event wraps up with a presentation to the plant's senior management team, including the participants' supervisors and managers from support departments, such as accounting, environment, and safety.
These were the 4 different teams. Team 1 was assembly and also the warehouse. Team 2 was the machining. Team 3 die-cast, and Team 4 was the facilities.
So our first proposal, which is the most aggressive proposal, is to completely turn off 15, 16, and 17. With that, you would have an immediate savings of $62,000 per year.
We found 18 machines that were left on. With this number of machines turned off during the weekends, we would save roughly $56,928 a year.
6 of the 12 fans currently have VFDs on them, as far as we could tell, and they're operating at full speed.
The star filter uses a lot of water, and we decided what we try to do was tie in the star filter into the well water. But we have plenty of water in the ground to use, and that will reduce 3,000 gallons a day, which would increase our savings of $16,000 a year in water to the city of Swepsonville. And that also includes our city sewer, because for every gallon of water we use, they charge us for a gallon of sewer.
We have learned that even small activities, once accumulated, can turn into huge results.
Conducting an energy treasure hunt is just the start of realizing energy savings. The plant now needs to create a plan to put their energy savings ideas into action.
Well, there's really, I think, 2 pieces to the next step. One is to take the projects and that component of it and put it into more of a project plan, management plan, laying out the projects, prioritizing them, going through the implementation process, but also doing the so-called PDCA, the plan, do, check, action, to make sure that things are in place.
I absolutely would recommend using this treasure hunt process at other manufacturing facilities. I mean, we've found some really great opportunities, and I think other companies would be able to benefit from that as well.
Energy treasure hunts offer an effective way to engage staff across your company in identifying no-cost and low-cost opportunities for saving energy. Energy treasure hunts also provide a way to establish energy teams at facilities and lay the foundation for better energy management practices. For more resources on energy treasure hunts, go to energystar.gov/treasure hunt. Visit EnergyStar.gov/buildings and EnergyStar.gov/industrial to find more energy management tools and guidance for building a successful energy program.